subscribe our channel, press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update from Healthy Natural Way. High levels of bad cholesterol and total cholesterol can increase your risk of stroke and heart disease. Total cholesterol includes levels of both bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein, and high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol. According to the Mayo Clinic, your diet plays an essential role in reducing cholesterol levels. Adding particular beverages that may help to lower cholesterol into your diet may be beneficial. Number 1. Berry juice. Berries help in reducing blood cholesterol levels, but some are more effective than others. In a study that was done at the University of California at Davis, researchers reported that fresh berries significantly decreased LDL cholesterol. Blackberries were found to be the most effective, followed by red raspberries, blueberries and strawberries, respectively. Though additional research is required to determine the amount of berries or juice individuals should consume to help in lowering cholesterol. But, drinking more berry juice on a regular basis may be very beneficial. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used medicinally for years in the treatment of health problems such as diarrhea and nausea. Preliminary researches indicate that ginger tea may also help in lowering cholesterol and in preventing atherosclerosis, according to the University of Maryland Medical Center. It is recommended to not consume more than 4 grams of ginger daily. Number 3. Grape juice. Another possible drinks for anyone who does not consume alcohol is the grape juice. Grape juice contains similar nutrition to the red wine to help lower the cholesterol level. Grape juice contains nutrition that brings benefits to lower LDL cholesterol level and improve the HDL cholesterol level in the blood. It is recommended to consume 8 ounces of grape juice daily for women, and 16 ounces of grape juice to acquire its best benefits. You should drink 100% of the grape juice without any added sugar. Grape juice can lower the LDL cholesterol level as well as deliver other benefits, such as antioxidants. Number 4. Green tea. One of the benefits in drinking green tea is to lower the cholesterol level. Also, green tea drinkers may acquire other benefits to lower their risk of cancer and heart diseases. Green tea has the highest levels of antioxidants called polyphenols. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, various studies showed that green tea can lower total cholesterol levels and LDL cholesterol. Also, it boosts the levels of HDL cholesterol, which removes bad cholesterol from your arteries. Researchers believe that the green tea's polyphenols inhibit the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines and can enhance its excretion from your body. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are loaded with antioxidants that can provide many benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels. A study that was conducted at the University of Michigan Cardiovascular Center found that rats which received whole tart cherry powder as part of a high-fat diet had significantly lower levels of cholesterol as compared to other rats. Cherry juice is easily available at natural health stores and supermarkets. But, you can also make your own at home with the use of cherry powder or dried cherries.